Wow! Hi guys, we have a young coconut here with us. This one is from Vietnam. And I just watched and I just learned how you properly open this one. So you just grab a knife. Apparently this is the easiest way. Ooh. But parang ang hard. Am I doing it right? Wait. Oh, okay. Oh. Hey, I just opened it, mother! I'm such a professional! And they have a free straw. Oh, ano ba yan? Oh, ang ganda! Wow! Ang sarap. Wow. Ang galing. Ngayon lang ako nakakita kung ganitong klaseng pangkain. Ang alam ko lagi yung make.